Hi everybody, this is going to be your reteach for the atomic structure CER. We begin by examining the picture, and in this picture I can see that there are 3 positive particles, there are 3 negative particles, and there are 4 particles which do not have a charge. All right, so based on that information, I'm going to go start answering my questions. And so to answer my questions, I would say that the complete name of the isotope, including the mass number, is lithium dash 3 plus 4 equals 7, lithium 7. Okay, and then I would say this is an atom. Now, then I'm going to go straight into the evidence. And so in the evidence, I'm going to say that the atomic number of this element is 3. The number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus are 3 and 4, so 3 protons and 4 neutrons. The mass number is 7, and the electrons in the atom are 3, giving me the overall charge of 0. Okay, so then I have to get into explaining in detail all the aspects of the evidence that supports my claim. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my atomic number. I determine the atomic number based on the number of positive particles that were in the nucleus. We know that the positive particles in the nucleus are the protons, and so there were 3 positive particles. So I look up on the periodic table 3 as the atomic number, and I find out that that is lithium. To add to that name, I'm going to have to figure out the mass number. And so I am going to determine that, in fact, I have 3 positive particles, protons, plus 4 particles with no charge, neutrons. When I add those together, I get 7. And that's why I've named it lithium-7. What makes an isotope's mass different from a neutral atom is because they have a different number of neutrons than there are in a normal atom. Okay, my final bit of evidence that's supporting my claim is that since the atom has a 0 charge, that is referring to, and my understanding, that protons must equal electrons. In other words, the negative charges must equal the positive charges. So I have 3 positive protons minus 3 negative electrons. So my overall charge is neutral, and that means that I have an atom, not an ion. All right, everybody. Thank you for listening.